Are your customers having a hard time making confident online purchases? Because they can't visualize the products? That's where we come in. At GlamAR, we bring your products to life with hyper-realistic 3D models. The best part? It's optimized for seamless use. Our AI handles 70% of the work, automatically transforming a few simple images into high-quality 3D models. Then, our expert 3D artists perfect the details, refining textures, adjusting lighting, and ensuring your product looks flawless. In no time, your product is ready to be viewed in stunning 360 degrees, allowing customers to see every angle. They can even try it on in AR, visualizing how it fits in their space or on them. More engagement, more confidence, more conversions. That's the power of a 3D catalog. One model, endless possibilities. Unlock the future of shopping with GlamAR.